Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Shikan hon ki Samla Pule ke Sumy State University ke badan Ukraine ke Pynbna ling ba ke video bakin mi no nakani ke jaka banlet chamari pol ke badai ke nong ba ba Russia ke Pynbna bakan pelong nak je sange ASEAN ki Samla Pule ke Pynbna ru bala da jai Eiei ki Sorkar India kan hab banshim ya ke Kitkhlieh kini ki Samla Pule ki long bakin let chamari pol ke bajungai kumban rus pa kilometer no Sumy hadian bakani ke video ke lapau ke India ke kentu ke Russia but Ukraine ban sange ASEAN Sumy Kenang bon la ben penmi iginong India khamtam ki Samla Pule nagane ke jaka ya gane la pentip dunong aiktien ke tanat bari u arandam bakshi ke si sajan nolo kata lo ong balada ban ai jingmut ki Samla Pule bakin shem ikilat ke lenti ban yadai lade bat bakim de ben le ikenu gune ki kam ki bala ban bu jingma ya ki ulo ong ru bakatanat lambat ki embassy ki kren bakini ki Samla Pule na kapor shakapor.
Hello, we are students of Sumy State University. It's the 10th day of war. Today we got a news that Russia has announced ceasefire to open humanitarian corridor for two cities. One of them is Mariupol, which is 600 kilometers away from Sumy. Since morning we are constantly listening to bombarding, shelling, street fights. We are afraid, we have awaited a lot and we cannot wait anymore. We are risking our life, we are moving towards border. If anything happens to us, all the responsibility will be for government and Indian embassy. If anything happens to us, to anyone, Mission Ganga will be a biggest failure.
This is the last video from the Sumy State University students, and we are just risking our life and we are just going to this border which Russia has opened. So this will be our last request and last video, guys. Just pray for us, and government, please let you guys know that we are just moving from our own risk. This is our last video.